It is Pioneer Update time as we bring you up to date with activities in the Batesville Public School System, a service of the Citizens Bank, a bank built for you. And our guest today, Miss Megan Renahan. Megan, it's always nice to have you on the show, and you have come to tell us about a couple of awards that you garnered not too long ago.
Yes, sir. So the Batesville School District was so fortunate to get to attend the Batesville Area Chamber of Commerce's annual gala, and we actually were nominated for and won the Leader in Education Award. This is such an honor for our school district because it recognized our Pioneers Rise program, and that is just a way for the school district to put literacy in the hands of our students and make it more readily available to our community. We were so proud of that accomplishment. The ladies that were involved with that have worked tremendously hard over the last 2 years to make these reading resources more readily available with our lending libraries and by holding different events to collect books, and so that we can make sure that we replenish those and help improve those reading inside of the home. And so we were so honored to get recognized for that. And then the other award was Community Collaboration, and Excel by 8 LENA, which is a program, received that. And just a little bit of background on LENA, is a practice-based, data-driven professional development program that targets early childhood educators. And it gives educators tools that they need to improve language environment, equitability, and it really connects every child to that specific care so that we can improve reading at an earlier age. And we're so fortunate to be involved with our school district, Cedar Ridge, Midland, and Southside also had people that are working relentlessly to be a part of that. Miss Mindy Shaw, our preschool director, really spearheaded that entire movement. We're so lucky to have her knowledge and her skill set, as well as Miss Allison, Miss Jessica Angel, and of course Miss Molly Hill worked alongside some of the other fellow educators from neighboring schools. So we're just so lucky to have this community collaboration to make sure that we can help the next, cycle of students to have those reading materials available to him. And it's mostly professional development for our teachers so that they can have the best tools and the latest technology and data to be sure that our students are getting, the best education possible. So we received those 2 awards, and it was such an honor for our school district to be recognized on a large platform. And it really, really just pushes our motto of putting students first. And we just work incredibly hard, and we're so humbled to be able to receive those awards.
No doubt about it. Such a great effort by so many, and another example of everyone working together for one cause. Our guest today, Ms. Megan Renahan with Pioneer Update. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a great day.